Want to edit your still photos in just a few clicks by extending the image? Whether you're creating a presentation, something for social media, a video project, or just want to make your images better, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to make it happen fast. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.